Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make a healthy chicken recipe. It has chicken in it and it has colorful vegetable like yellow, green, red bell pepper and broccoli with French beans and carrots. It's going to taste amazing, and the best part is I'll be making a sauce at the end. The sauce tastes amazing. It's just like a cherry on the top. Okay, so stick till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. Now let's begin with slicing the chicken. Now here I have taken 350 grams of chicken which I have washed thoroughly under running water, and I'll slice it into 4 equal portions. After we are done slicing the chicken, let's start with the marination. And now for the marination, I'll use a little olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can just use the regular oil. Followed by garlic cloves. Now these are around 7 to 8 garlic cloves which I've chopped fine. Some freshly crushed pepper and a little bit of salt, and now we will gently mix it well with our hand. And now we'll keep this aside and let's go to the next step. Alright, now before I start cooking the chicken, I'll just boil some water because I'll need it in a further stage to cook a vegetable. And now, since I don't have a grill pan, I'll just take a regular pan in which I'll drop in all the chicken pieces, and let's cook this for a good 10 to 12 minutes, flipping it both the sides. Keep the flame on medium high and don't cover it with the lid. Now while the chicken is cooking, let's partly cook the vegetable. So first we'll add in carrots. Now this is half carrot which I have cut into 1-inch pieces. And after 30 seconds, I'll add in French beans. Now these are around 5 to 6 French beans which I have cut into 1-inch pieces again. Followed by few pieces of broccoli. Now the idea here is to cook the vegetable until they are 50 to 60% done. We need the crunchiness of these vegetables when we are eating. And here I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll put the flame off because this is boiling water. Let the vegetable cook by itself while we are doing the other process. And here at the meantime, our chicken is ready. So it's been around 10 to 12 minutes, and if you see, the chicken is well cooked. If you see the outer surface, it's brown. And now we'll remove this in a plate. So our chicken is ready, and here our vegetable also are 50% cooked. So we'll remove these vegetables and put it in a chilled water so that it doesn't overcook. And now let's just stir fry our vegetable. So here in a pan, I've taken around a teaspoon of oil, and in that I'll be adding in 1 medium-sized onion which I have roughly chopped. And I'll just toss this onion until it's slightly cooked. Okay, we don't have to turn it brown, we just have to toss it. And now I'll be adding in bell peppers. Now this is red, green and yellow bell peppers that I'll be adding in, and we will toss this also together. We'll add in half teaspoon of salt. And now I'll add in the partly boiled vegetable. Here I'll add in freshly crushed pepper, and we will toss this vegetable on high flame for around 30 seconds to a minute. And after which I'll keep this aside and we'll start preparing our sauce. Now for the sauce, I'll take a pan, I'll keep the flame low, and I'll add in around 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, followed by 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Now make sure that you don't use melted butter. And then let's add in finely chopped garlic cloves. Now these are around 6 to 7 garlic cloves which are finely chopped, followed by oregano and chili flakes. So I've taken around 1 teaspoon of oregano and around 1 teaspoon of chili flake. I'll put the flame off and we'll just mix it together Adding in some fresh coriander leaves with the stems, which are finely chopped, and our sauce is ready. And that's it. Our meal is ready. Now we can serve it hot with chicken, vegetable, and this delicious sauce. Trust me, the sauce is just like a cherry on the top. Wow, this looks amazing. The platter itself looks colorful. And look at the chicken, it's so tenderly cooked. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like this video. Do try this recipe at home. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.